Calculate the area of the triangle to the nearest square centimetre. Now, sometimes for calculating the area of the triangle, you would use area equals a half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. That only works for perpendicular. In other words, when there's 90 degrees, because the height here isn't 6. Because the perpendicular height is from this line. If you extend the base on here, this height here would be less than 6. This would have to be a right angle here, right? So we can't multiply. The base is 5, but we don't have the height because this here is supposed to be the perpendicular height. That's the symbol for perpendicular, right? So we need another formula. And if you look in the tables on page 16 of the log tables, the area equals half AB sine C, and that means that's the length of a side, that's the length of another side, and that's the angle between the two sides. So that's a situation called side angle side. So for area of a side angle side triangle, we use half AB sine C. So that's going to be half times 6 times 5 times the sine of 135 degrees. So bang all that into the calculator. So half times 6 will give you 3. 3 times 5 times sine 135, close bracket, and press SD, and I get 10.606, but I'm going to go to round it to 2 decimal places, so that last 6 will bring that up to 1. And we don't have meters or centimeters for our lengths here and here, so we'll just call that units squared. And that's the area of that triangle there.